Now I'm going to install transition. So between these two points, so there is a transition. See it? So I measure here from wall to the wall, it's 16.3. So here is 16.38. Okay. Try. Okay, it's fine. But on this side, placement here. And on this side, same. Done. So if we, this is the one thing, this is the other one. So I touch and move a little bit, like quarter-inch out. And there, here's one line. It should be like this. Like this profile. So same story here. See? Maybe easy cut is faint too much. So we have profile. Now we can try. You can have a look now. So this is right here. So I guess it looks good, and same story like that, right there. Now I'm going to pre-cut metal track. It's coming with transition. So for easy installation, just screw this track to the subfloor and then put it in transition. So just measure bottom length of transition, because now this strip is too long, and then cut it. If you have installation tools, you don't need metal hand saw and other saw. Just you can buy on Amazon a bunch of blades for metal, for plastic, for wood, for laminate floor. So and you can use it. It's easy. Is it? I just put it with this edge. Okay, 2 points. I measure with small piece of transition where I have to install track. Make sure between floating floor and this track should be 1/4 inch expansion gap. This track don't has to be tied to the floating floor. It's very important. That's it. And then it's hard to put whole transition to this track because there is some lock system. So start doing from one side and going to another side, and you will be successful. That's it. So transition install it.